Our 5-star reviews are our pride and joy because they let us know that we're doing a great job. And today, we appreciate the chance to share one of our favorites with you. Have a look. Great feedback like this helps to keep us all very motivated. Our goal is to provide service that is second to none, and it's great to see that everyone appreciates our efforts. So the only real question you have to ask yourself is, what are you waiting for? Experience our service and you'll be amazed. Our door is always open to answer any questions you might have, so please don't hesitate. Thank you for spending a bit of time with us. We hope to see you again soon.